Hi guys, and welcome back to the Asylum. Thanks for joining us today. I'm in my new cell, which has got a bit of a weird echo, but it's all awesome. I am super stoked to bring you this. I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, but I am super stoked today to bring you the KINfpv Clio 5-inch lightweight racer. This is going to be one of my main rigs for the new upcoming Australian summer season of racing, so I can't wait to bring it to you guys, show you how it all goes together, what you get in the bag, and get it all happening and ripping. Alright, let's check this out on the bench. Okay guys, I've just laid it all out, and you'll see here that I've actually already attached the crossbar, only because of the fact that it gets locked down with the motors later on. But as you can see, we've got the 4 6mm arms, which are going to be awesomely nice and strong for this type of racer. You've got the 4mm lower plate and the 4mm upper plate, which is going to give it a whole heap of rigidity and nice and strong. And then you've got your 2mm top plate, which will lock it all in together. But as you can see, it's a really nice tidy unit. I've already put it together to see how it all goes together, and so I don't waste your time while watching this. But let's get into it and get it started, and we'll follow along. Where to start? Alright guys, let's get this going. And there you go, done in relatively no time. As you can see, we have got the 6mm arms, and when you put the motors on, that'll lock it all in. But you could see how tight I didn't tighten it up, and this thing is super rigid. So by the time you lock it all in and whatever else, this is going to be an absolute beast. But there's no flex in that at all. Really nice carbon, it's been cut really well. Yeah, it's a fantastic little design. As I showed you, this frame is super rigid. I've just tightened it up a bit more. And it'll get even tighter once these crossbars are actually locked into the motors, which is going to be awesome as. But I've just put them on with little bolts so you can see what it looks like before we get there. Now, when you get to the end and you realise, oh my god, I've got all these extra parts and screws and whatever else, Kin has got you covered with a whole heap of bag of spares and that. So don't freak out if you end up getting to the end of the frame build and going, what the hell? But you've got extra motor bolts, you've got stack screws, you've got everything, and even if you bust a couple, you can fix them straight up. Kin also gives you the awesome instructions, but if you're building a racer, you probably should know what you're doing. But hey, you know, it's always good to have a reference without having to go to Google, so thanks, Kin. And at this point, you'll get all your funky TPU prints, so that's your camera mount. Will take a nano, so you'll need a nano for this guy. Your arm guards, your antennas, prints, your rollovers, but whole swag of different options and print for your setup needs and your racing needs. I'm just so super stoked that these got 6mm arms, because this is going to be super rigid. And you get your obligatory stickers, so we all know we love stickers. So thanks again very much to KINfpv. I can't wait to rip this out and you'll see this around. If you want one, go and check out KINfpv, Bill's House of Drones, and Rising Sun FPV. I'll leave all the links down below. So definitely check them out, especially with Christmas coming. Spoil yourselves and get onto that. Yeah, so as I said, I'll leave all the links down below. Thanks very much to KINfpv. Thanks very much for you guys for checking in and checking this out. Definitely like, subscribe and comment any questions or queries you got on this. Muchly support KINfpv, Bill's House of Drones, and Rising Sun FPV for all your KINfpv frames and funness. And definitely check them out on all their socials to keep up with all the action. Talking about that, make sure you check out myself on Instagram, Facebook, and everything else. I'll leave all the links down below. You know I will. And if you want to support the channel and support me, keep on doing what I'm doing, and possibly get me out of my new cell. Buy us a coffee, check the links down below, and much appreciated all. And as always, thanks very much, and make every pack count. Cheers, guys.